my gosh.
Okay, I'm recording now. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Okay. This is wild frontier driving, guys. This is on Saturday on our way to go see the Harlem Globetrotters, April 19th. And we've already pulled this guy that's ahead of us out of the ditch once. We're hoping that he doesn't go for a second dip.
He's trying.
But he's trying. Too funny. Well, until you get stuck.
That guy at the truck is like, yeah, I'm not getting stuck.
Oh, the guy who helped the other guy is now stuck.
Really?
Yeah, the guy who is with us is now stuck.
Oh, he's went back behind us.
The truck is driving.
Is he getting help?
He's probably going to pull him.
Oh.
Oh, the two trucks that we passed by are pulling
Just
up.
focus on our road.
Yeah, we need to keep moving forward.
Yeah, I need to keep going forward. Wow.
It's the whole highway.